Alright, so here we are and it's Thursday. Now the first half of the week has gone really well. We accomplished quite a bit, had a good meeting on another business venture, which I can't share quite yet, but we're working our way towards that. So as far as the powder coating stuff has gone though, first project we finished for the week was a vintage bicycle frame, fenders and fork. Came to me, just needed a sandblast and then just wanted a clear coat over it, wants to build a rat bike style bicycle. Now, we did have a job at the beginning of the week that didn't go so well. We had a set of wheels come in for a Honda Accord. The guy wanted them white with a red ring around them, and let's just say it hasn't been going well at all. Apparently when you spray white over red, the red bleeds through it. Turns the wheel pink, so we found that out on the first one. Luckily I didn't do all of the wheels. I've learned from my mistakes before, so we just did the first one. The second one, tried to do the opposite on it, tried to spray the white with the red. Problem being that we found, this sucks. Still not happy, these edges don't look good, there's spots. That one's gotta go back in the acid too. We'll try the other two, we'll see how those go. You don't have a very solid line when you're going past the spokes to draw a nice straight line with your finger. So basically it looked like the stripe was drawn on by a 5-year-old. So after a little bit of deliberation and looking pretty hard, figured out that in order to keep the red and white scheme, we're going to fill the inside of one of the lower spokes with red and the rest of the wheel is going to be white. So last night we actually sprayed all the wheels white, and so now we can spray the red in there and start the wipe down process, and the wipe down process will take a long time. We also started last night a intake manifold in Illusion Lime Time, which is going to be really cool. And then we got some small parts done for one of our regular customers, which is awesome because we'll get him in and out real quick here. And I always take care of him, hook him up, but he's been coming to me now for probably the better part of 4 months, 5 months, something like that, and just always has little things here and there, which is great because it's a good cash job real quick, throw some cash in the old wallet to be able to take the girlfriend out or whatever. So that's how the first part of the week has gone here. And now we're on to the second part and basically the two hardest things to do, which are those red and white wheels and a set of pink wheels, which I'll explain later. Pretty excited about this delivery here. Hooks, tape, and a couple things of powder. Woo! All right, so let's talk about we'll call it second half of the week here, Thursday, Friday here, because we have been making a killing here doing stuff. So first thing up, we had a bike frame, fenders, old school. Did I talk about that the other day? I don't know. Anyway, if I did, we're cutting to something else. So I coated the intake for the Subaru build for Strictly in this sick Jolly Rancher red, which is the same thing I did on those big 24s I did a couple weeks ago, and it came out so awesome. So awesome. So we did that. We had some Honda Civic wheels that the kid wanted the center of them's pink and center and the rears. They were not a two-piece wheel, so we had to do some masking, some creative vacuuming, but we did all of that. Those came out really, really good. The lips are still bare aluminum, so he could polish those. And then we had our problem child of the week. These white Honda Accord wheels I've been telling you guys about, and they've just been a disaster. So originally, red ring was supposed to go around them. I think I told you guys, sprayed it all red, white over it, turned the white pink. So we agreed to do just one of the windows and the spokes are red. So I spent several hours the other night doing that, and he came and looked at them Saturday morning here and wasn't really a fan. So we're stripping them one more time, doing it just in white, which is fine. I told him if he didn't like it, that's cool. Plus I had some red spots in different places, some speckles, because as much as you want to wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe, usually it doesn't come out great. Well, okay, I lied. It does, but the red and the white's really difficult for some reason. So anyway, so those are going back in the acid one more time, and we're going to coat them Monday afternoon here and get them all set to go. And that's pretty much it. A couple jobs have been dropped off. We have some mini bike parts and some wheels for next week, so that's exciting. Did I mention I've been riding this week? Okay, give it a shot, see what happens.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold off, hold off.